welcome guys. So this video, let's talk about is A4A shifting letters. So we have a string S of lowercase letters and the integer shift. And the color shift of letters, so the shift AB means shift T U, shift ZA. So basically you have 26 number, right? And 26 letters, and you shift it, basically you shift each time. So A go to B, T go to U, Z go to A. Right. So for example, I can define this S to be A B C D. I mean, it's basically you should have ability to write down 26 alphabets, right? Without any difficulty. Okay. Okay. So right. And yeah. So this is a shift function, right? So now for shift I X, we want to shift the first I plus one letter X times. So basically, this shift I X basically is the generalization of results. Okay, and return the final string after all such strings as are applied. Okay, so let's ABC, right? Shift 3, 5, 9. So 3 means that you shift the first letter S by 3 times. So A go to D, and the 5 means that you shift the first two. So you need to shift the original D and B to 5. So D go to I, hopefully correct. And B go to what? B go to G, right? So B go to G. So it's 5, right? And also the third means that the 9, right? So so you see this question is easy once you can write down a shift function. So let me define a shift AB. This is the same as the easy version, right? It's the same function. So easy version shift AB means that you start from A, and you want to shift go to B, right? So you shift the index A, index A basically find what A is, and the plus integer B, so you shift B, and mod 26, right? Because the total have 26, so if you start from Z, you go next is A, right? And then you find the where. So this shift AB has the property that if you start from if you write shift A3, then it will give you D. So now we have an original shift function, right? Then the result is easy. Let's define n to be length of shift, and then this q, right? This q is how many we shift for original A. So for original A, I shift total 3 plus 5 plus 9, right? And for this B, I shift 3 plus 5. For this original C, I think I only shift 9. Sorry. Let me see. Okay, so for original A, I shift 3. For this A, I shift all of it. So for A, I shift 3 plus 5 plus 9, and for B, I shift 5 plus 9, right? But for C, I only shift 9. So if I start from right? So the number of the shift is basically the original list shift, and I cut from beginning, and for J in range. So basically, this Q is how many times shift. So for example, maybe let me just print to make you understand. Then the result is easy. I start from empty string, and I quote the shift string. So SI is the string for each one, and the QI is the number of the shift. So maybe I print this Q to understand what it means. So you see this Q is 17. 17 is the number of A shift, and this is the number of B shift, and the number of the second shift. Second is these two sum, and 17 is the 3 sum, and so it's 3 sum, so 9. Okay. Yeah. So then so basically, once you understand how many times you shift, and you have the shift function, and you can just do it step by step. Okay, very easy. Okay, so we can submit. Yeah, so to understand it, just basically step by step. Once you write down a small function which you can use, then how many times each letter shift, then you can keep going. Okay, I will see you guys in the next videos.